Wait, I need a drink. Hi guys, it's Tyler and Ailey, and today we are going to be doing a simple yet chic get ready with me with a little bit of skincare because that is always super important as well. I don't really do talk through videos that much, but it is very requested, so here we are going with like a Greek goddess look. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by pinning back my hair, just because I don't want that a part of the makeup as well. This toner is by Bubble, and it is a Cosmic Silk Hydrating Milky Toner. I really like it. It has a little twisty top, just be careful not to twist it back immediately. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some in my hand. And I twisted it immediately. Don't do that. Do as I say, not as I do. Put candle going in the back. Going in with this hyaluronic acid from Good Molecules. And this one I kind of just use like about a dropper full. I apply to like my smile line, you can do your crow's feet, you know, forehead, and then down the neck. I'm just gonna put these to the side. Carrying on, this is literally what I keep. Rarely will I do a full face for work, but you know, I'll do them sometimes. Usually this is my go-to. I like a simple little look, but this is the acne treatment that I use. It's Terminator 10, and it's just like a little cream. I usually use it with Q-tips, but I'm just using my finger, and I'm just gonna apply that anywhere my face feels the desire to. That's my pet feeder. I recommend them as long as you can keep them clean. Like, you gotta wash the bowl and buy the packets to keep the food fresh. And this one here is gonna be for your under eyes. I switch it between two different ones, but today I'm using the tinted live tinted, my bad, Super Hue Brightening Eye Cream. And what I like about this one is it has a little fancy tip to it. So I just go wada boom, wada bang. I'm gonna put in like a side-by-side of before and after skincare, because I'm telling you guys, skincare is so insanely important. If you skip it, what are you doing? Even if you just do skincare every day, people will notice, like, I promise. Finishing up on this sample of Laneige. This is the Berry Lip Sleeping Mask, but honestly, there you are. Hi, this is the little, I got it for my birthday. It was a little sample, and honestly, I use it every morning before work. I'm drinking water out of my Hello Kitty cup that my mom got me from GameStop. She is also perfection. Okay, so there was a hair on my lip. I am gonna go in with the Born This Way concealer. Actually, I lied. First, no, we're gonna go in with the concealer first. We're gonna use this 2 separate times. But first, this is the Born This Way concealer, and she is in the color Marshmallow. Fun fact, Ricardo wanted to call Fifi Marshmallow, but Mousse is already fluffy, and sometimes I call her a fluffy marshmallow. So there couldn't be 2 marshmallows in the house. It just would not be it. And I'm just gonna brighten up right here. Sometimes I can tend to get a little red right there. And then I'm not gonna dampen my beauty blender, just because I'm not going for more of a dewy look. I want more of a coverage. So we're gonna go ahead and just use a dry beauty blender, and that will help it not absorb so much, and it looks a lot better. So I'm using this, I don't even know the brand. I got it in like an Ipsy bag, I think. It's called Chili Crisp Mo Jelly Blush and Lip Tint. Did not know you could use this on your lips. But this is the external packaging. It's purple and it has like little crowns on it. Like it looks like a Rimmel. And honestly, yeah, it looks like kids ate it. But honestly, it's just how it falls apart. So I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna put this on the high points of my face because I like to look like Snow White. Bright cheeks. Wintertime, sun-kissed, you know. And honestly, nothing crazy. I'm just gonna use my fingers. Yeah. It's cold, wintry, fall-y, kind of. Oh my gosh, you made me blush. Wow. Just blending that in, darling. Then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some more of the concealer, and I'm gonna use this under my eyes like this, a little bit in the corner to like snatch the eye, and then underneath to brighten it. And I did that on top of the blush because it makes it look more awake. I don't know how to explain it. I just like the concealer on top. I just do. And we're blending. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lid and my brow bone as well to make me not look so hollow-eyed and Tim Burton-y. Definitely more of a difference, the darkness and the tones. This looks more awake and lively. And then here, same thing, blending up to the brow bone. Not every day do I wear concealer, but sometimes when I'm breaking out, I will wear more concealer. And then that just leads me to do my whole face because it looks just better. And it makes you feel better too. When you do your makeup for yourself and you just put yourself together for that little bit of time, you feel good. You feel good. I'm putting the Beauty Blender away because we no longer need her. I do use the Coco Chanel one. Another one that I like that is also really good and affordable is gonna be the Maybelline. I actually have a few of these on backhand because I have so many. Today we're gonna use this. And then I'm gonna use this Real Techniques flat brush. This powder is in light. It's an 01 light. Can you see? Seeing is believing. Okay, and then we're gonna use the Real Technique powder brush. Powder sponge. The other sponge was Real Techniques as well, if you care about that too. Sorry, I'm probably the worst beauty guru ever. So I'm pretty much just going to pat that in so that the concealer will stay all day. Anywhere that you use that liquidy stuff, that is where the powder is gonna go, so it doesn't, you don't like rub on it and it moves, whatever. And then same, a crease. Under eyes seem to like to crease. You ever randomly will just be like sitting there doing something, you get like a memory about somebody who's passed or isn't here, or even if they are here, I do that. I get like random like past memories, or like people jump into my head and I'm like, whoa, hello. That was kind of gross. Sorry you guys had to see that. Okay. So, but I keep this one. I usually use this one every day because when I use something like of a luxury brand every morning, you just feel like a bit of a baddie. So yeah, she's going in the corner. Break time! For brows at the moment, I'm using this Got2b glue, and this is good for edges and stuff like that. But lately, this has been one of my, I use the e.l.f. one as well. You probably saw it in my previous video, but it's just like, I don't know, the product comes out too much out of there. So I have to be careful, and I take a lot of the product off so it's not all gunky on my little bitty eyebrow hairs. And then I pretty much just brush out to give them that like awake, and then for the bottom, oh, don't do that. And then I'm gonna brush down, and then same here. I'm gonna brush up and over. Okay. Eyebrows are twins, not sisters. That's what you gotta remember, apparently. That's what they tell you. Putting this away and I'm putting this away. Julie was over there. And then, yeah, hit. Okay. My mom.
Hello.
Hi, how was work?
Oh god, bitch, I have the biggest fucking headache. I don't like working on Wednesdays.
Oh no, I'm sorry.
What are you doing?
I'm doing just like a little makeup video, finishing some laundry. Your stuff's still in the dryer.
Oh my god, I hate the laundry.
I do too, girl.
Oh my god, dude, my head hurts so fucking bad. I didn't get a new bong though.
You did or you didn't?
Yeah, I did. I got the white one. Alright, well, I'm almost home. I just wanted to call you back just to make sure that you guys are alright, not out and about messing around.
No, we're here. We do be
Alrighty.
here. Ryan's here. We're hanging out.
Okay, and then we'll do what for dinner? Hot dogs?
Yeah, you said, what, hamburger helper?
Oh, yeah, you guys gotta pick that hamburger me out real quick, though, in cold water.
Oh. We'll call Ryan real quick.
Bitch, I'll just put it there when I get to the house. Okay, I'll be there in a minute.
Okay, love you.
Bye-bye.
Mama! I am not gonna wipe away the powder. No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm sorry. Anyways, we're gonna go in with, oh, I meant to review this. It's Unicos Beauty or Unikate. I really don't know. I'm so sorry. This thing right here, it's amazing. It's like a 2-in-1. There's apparently like a blush, what that looks like. And then there's the other applicator, which is gonna be the freckle side. In my opinion, it looks like a freaking diffuser. But I go usually 1, 2, 3, 4. I like to like just fill up the nose and like don't be afraid to like move it around because you don't want all the freckles to like look the same. And I usually just like go to like about there, and you can stack them on top of each other too. But I just use about that much. And then I usually dot it in with my finger just to kind of set them in, make it not as harsh because, I don't know, I just don't want them to be like so in your face. And then I will set them with like a leftover bit of powder. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some mascara. This one is the CoverGirl Lash Volume, Lash Blast Volume. I do like this one. I think this is in a brown or it's in a black brown. Sometimes I walk a little faster in the school hallway just to get next to you. I don't know why I chose to sing and dance while I'm doing literally the most messiest task. Alexa, play Hannah Montana. Alexa, skip the song. Alexa.
Na 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 na. Rockstar and similar songs on Amazon Music.
Waited around the rockstar. I might even be a rockstar. I used this NYX lip gloss in Royal Butter, and so it's gonna be the Angel Food Cake. And honestly, it's just like the perfect like little boost of pink, and it's really cute. I like it. It's the Naked Sundays Hydrating Glow Mist SPF 50 spray, setting spray. It's alright. She's alright. It's okay. We're all okay. Hallelujah for that, right? A bit of a glow. So it wasn't much. It's really just a little bit of products. It might seem like a lot of things all together, but when you do it like real fast, it's really fast. Honestly, 30 minutes is all it took. Really, probably less than that because I was messing around, and honestly, probably even less when I'm doing it for work because I think it only takes me like 10 minutes to get ready with everything, maybe 15, just because I'm a goober. But yeah, no, I think that the makeup comes out really nicely. It stays on for a good amount of time, and I think that it's just my signature style, and I really like it. You guys get random hiccups too? What is that? I was trying to finish the whole thing in water before I ended the video, but I mean, the light does something. I do like the light there. It does help. I changed the scenery for you guys, but yeah. Okay, I'm leaving. I'm going. See you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful rest of your days, and drink water, safe, take chances, be risky, but not too risky. Well, that was 1 minute and 50 seconds of fixing my hair. The person you need is Nanny McPhee. I don't know where that came from.